For thousands of years, people have used and praised moringa for its various health benefits. But what is it and where do you find it? How much should you take every day, and are there any side effects? Moringa is a small evergreen tree that grows in Africa and parts of Asia. You may have heard various cultures call it the drumstick tree, the moringa tree, or the miracle tree. Additionally, every part of this tree is valuable for medicinal use. This includes the seeds, bark, and flowers. We're going to give you several science-backed moringa benefits. This will give you a good idea of what a moringa powder or supplement can do for you. The biggest benefits include rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help to repair cell damage due to stress and aging or free radical activity. Reduces free radicals in your body. Your immune system causes inflammation in response to an illness or an injury to fight infection. Moringa is the perfect antidote to free radicals. Reduces sugar levels in the blood. One study showed that 6 people who added 50 grams of moringa leaves to their meals saw their blood sugar levels drop by 21%. High vitamin and mineral content. 1 cup of fresh moringa leaves chopped up gives you iron, magnesium, protein, vitamin A, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. What are you waiting for? Start living healthy by making your life more green and fresh with moringa.